So I've heard about this fix for foggy headlights. We got a nice foggy one here. I don't know if you can see that. Whereas if you rub WD-40 in, it'll defog it. So I'm going to give it a shot, just see if it works or not. More importantly, I'm also going to see if it washes off afterwards. It actually does appear to work a lot. I mean, there's the fogging is disappearing. So this is pretty impressive. The question is though, is it actually fixing it, or is it filling in the cracks that make up the haze? And the one way to find out is to hit it with some cleaner and see what happens. At best it might be a permanent fix, worse, temporary fix. Whereas once WD-40 wears off, it'll be back to its original state, but we'll find out here. So this is what I ended up getting with the WD-40. This looks actually really good. I'm not going to say it looks new, but it'll pass, and it's really clear. So let me get some strong detergent. I'm going to use this stuff, Simple Green. It's pretty good, very strong. If there's any grease that's really making that a fix, this will show it up. Get another rag. So the haze is back. So I think what ends up happening, the WD-40 trick, it looks clear, but if you look at it, you can see that there's a bit of a haze still in there. I think the oil in the WD-40 actually fills in everything that's a haze, but it's a temporary fix, and it's not a bad way to go, and it's actually not that difficult to do neither. I literally just rub it on. Now there are permanent fixes. I'll probably cover one of those in the future, which involve sanding and with finer grades of sandpaper, and eventually polishing it. And I've done those before, and they work pretty well. So the WD-40 does work, but it is temporary. So it's not a permanent fix. I don't know which is which. I'll use this one. So it does seem to work. So here's what the headlight looks like. So here's what the headlight looks like with the WD-40. It does look pretty good. The question is, we'll put it on the vehicle. This came off a Silverado, and see how long it lasts. Yeah, if you get a month or more, it's not a bad way to go. It's certainly better than replacing the headlights, unless you want to go ahead and do a permanent fix. Hope this helps. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe.